I invite you now to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice long deep breath. And as we exhale, we relax and we let go. Relax and let go. Become aware of your body so that you can begin to relax your body. Become aware of your feet and just send the message, relax, let go. Move your awareness to your calves and your thighs. Relax and let go. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Relax your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Relax the muscles in your chest and in your back. Feel your body relaxing and letting go. Become aware of your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Relax the muscles in your face, your forehead, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose. Relax your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Relaxing and letting go. And now scanning your body and seeing if there's any place that still needs to relax and to let go. You might want to gently tense and release that part of your body. Relax and let go. And now that we've relaxed the body, we're going to focus the mind. Bring your awareness to the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your nasal passages. Just feel the flow of breathing. If that's difficult for you to do, then just focus on the rising and falling of your chest. Just observe your breathing flowing in, just as you would observe waves rolling in from the ocean, and then moving back out to the sea. Just watching your breathing. And now as your breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as your breath flows out, spirit. I am spirit. When the mind wanders, just bring it back to watching the breathing. And now let's take a nice long deep breath. Just be with yourself. Be in the stillness now. noticing what you might be feeling or what you might be seeing or hearing inside yourself. Just be present now to that place inside of you. And from this consciousness, we include our friends and family in this awareness of peace and harmony and well-being. Our friends. We include the planet Earth and every person on the planet, and all the animals and all the life. We acknowledge that there is just one consciousness underlying all form, and every person, every creature, every plant, every flower, every rock is a form of consciousness in manifestation. So during this time, we project harmony and peace and order and love and joy. We sense and we know this as the underlying reality of all form. And we say yes. Yes to that awareness. Yes to that manifestation. And yes to the good unfolding through us into our life and into the lives of others. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.